iPad is disabled. Connect to iTunes just means that security measures have been triggered due to too many incorrect passcode attempts. This video will provide a comprehensive manual on iPad is disabled. Connect to iTunes fixes. You can use Finder or iTunes to fix your disabled iPad. Launch the iTunes application on your Windows computer or the Finder application if you are a Mac user. Use the iPad buttons to boot it into recovery mode. Get back to your computer and locate your iPad. Now hit on the Restore iPad button from the options that appear. Clicking on the Restore button will initialize the program downloading and installation on your iPad. iTunes will now verify and reset your iPad within a few minutes. Fix iPad is disabled. Connect to iTunes using Apple's Find My app. If you are signed into a similar Apple account on your two iOS devices, you must launch Find My application on your other iDevice. Remove this error by tapping on the Devices button, tapping on the iPad icon and finally hitting on the Remove this device to remove the error from your iPad. After carrying out all of these procedures, your iPad will have been reset to its default factory settings, and all functions should be operating normally. If you are not signed in on the two devices using a similar Apple ID, you must launch Find My application on the other iDevice. Sign in using your Apple account, tap on the Me option, and tap on the Help Friend button. Sign in using another Apple account, and then sign in using your Apple account. Hit on your iPad's icon and tap on the Erase iPad icon to remove the error from your iPad. After following all the necessary steps, your iPad will have been restored to its initial factory settings, and all aspects of its functionality should have returned to their default state. You can also fix the error by using iCloud. Use your browser to navigate tycloud.com. Log into your iCloud account using the iCloud account signed into the locked iPad. Locate the Find iPad option on the iCloud applications page. Select the name of the locked iPad from the available devices list and hit the Erase iPad button. Wait for iCloud to connect and erase the iPad's data. Once the iPad is erased, it will reboot. Now set it up as new.